Hi guys, have you ever wondered what this init.py file does in Python? I'll try to make it simple. Think of a Python package like a folder on your computer. For example, this folder that I have here. But in Python, just putting files in a folder is not enough to tell Python, hey, these files all belong together. So that's where this init.py file comes in. Imagine this init.py file as a label you put in a folder, and then it tells Python this is a special folder. It's no more just a folder on a computer, but Python now knows it can look inside this folder and use all the tools inside this folder. It could be functions or maybe images or whatever tools that you drop inside this folder. You can now use this folder in your code and just import it like you import packages. So here you can see that I've imported this package, which was just like a folder on the computer. Then I can use these functions in my code. So this is very useful in Python. Thank you.